Welcome. What is analytical method transfer or AMT? Analytical method transfer is the documented process to demonstrate that a receiving laboratory can perform an analytical method with equivalent performance. Reference USP chapter number 1224. What is the main objective of method transfer? The main objective of method transfer is to ensure reproducibility and reliability of test results between sending unit and receiving unit. Reference USP chapter number 1224. What are the common types of method transfer? Comparative testing, co-validation, full or partial revalidation, and transfer weavers are the common types of method transfer. Reference USP chapter number 1224. When is comparative testing typically used? The comparative testing is typically used when the method is already validated and both labs can run the method simultaneously. Reference USP chapter number 1224. What is a transfer viewer? A transfer viewer is a justified decision to skip practical transfer studies when equivalence between labs is already assured. Reference guideline number USP chapter 1224. Very commonly asked question: who approves the method transfer protocol? The method transfer protocol shall be approved by quality assurance before its execution. Reference UGMP Annex 15. What prerequisites must be verified before transfer? Method validation status, instrument qualification, analyst training, and availability of standards shall be verified before transfer. Reference USP chapter number 1224 and UGMP Annex 15. What is the role of system suitability in analytical method transfer? System suitability is used to confirm the analytical system is performing properly before sample analysis. Reference USP chapter number 1224. What statistical tools are commonly used in analytical method transfer? Percent difference, percent RSD, t-test, and f-test are the common statistical tools used in analytical method transfer. Reference USP chapter number 1224 and ICHQ2R2. What is a typical acceptance criteria for assay comparison? The typical acceptance criteria for assay comparison is difference between sender unit and receiving unit. Results should be within predefined limits, commonly less than 2% of variation. Reference USP chapter number 1224. What should be done if transfer results fail acceptance criteria? Initiate deviation, perform root cause analysis, implement kappa, take corrective and preventive actions, and repeat transfer if needed. Reference ICHQ9 UGMP Annex 15. Is analyst training mandatory before execution? Direct answer is yes. Receiving lab analyst must be trained and documented as qualified. Reference UGMP chapter 2 and USP chapter number 1224. When is partial revalidation required instead of transfer? Partial revalidation is required when there are significant changes in equipment, method, condition, or site capability. Reference ICHQ2R2 and USP chapter number 1224. What documents are generated after successful transfer? Method transfer report, raw data, statistical evaluation, and QA approval. These are the documents that are very commonly generated after successful transfer. Reference UGMP Annex 15. Very important question: how many successful runs are typically expected in analytical method transfer? The expected runs are commonly defined in protocol. Multiple replicate results meeting acceptance criteria is commonly defined in analytical method transfer protocol. Reference guideline USP chapter number 1224.